After Archduke Franz Ferdinand of Austria-Hungary was assassinated by Gavrilo Princip, Austria-Hungary blamed Serbia for the attack and declared war on Serbia. Austria-Hungary felt secure because it had the support of Germany, which had promised to back Austria-Hungary if Russia, an ally of Serbia, joined the conflict. Russia shared ethnic and cultural ties with Serbia, so when Austria-Hungary declared war on Serbia, Russia began to mobilize its army to protect Serbia. Germany saw Russia's mobilization as a direct threat and declared war on Russia on 1 August 1914. France was also drawn into the conflict because it was an ally of Russia. Germany knew it would have to fight both France and Russia, as they were allies. Fighting on both the Western Front, against France, and the Eastern Front, against Russia, at the same time would be difficult. The German military believed that Russia would take longer to get its army ready for war, so they planned to quickly defeat France before Russia could fully mobilize. This plan was called the Schlieffen Plan. Germany decided to invade France through Belgium because it provided a faster route to Paris. Belgium was a neutral country, but on 3 August 1914, Germany declared war on France and invaded Belgium. This invasion violated Belgium's neutrality and brought Britain into the war, as Britain had a treaty to protect Belgium's neutrality. The violation of Belgium's neutrality outraged the British public and united them against Germany. In August 1914, a series of battles were fought along the borders of France, Germany, and Belgium at the start of World War I. These battles included the Battle of Lorraine, the Battle of the Ardennes, the Battle of Charleroi, and the Battle of Mons. In these early battles, German forces had significant success, managing to push French and British forces back and advancing deeper into France. Finally, I have a few questions. Question 1. Who did Austria-Hungary blame for Archduke Franz Ferdinand's assassination? Question 2. Which country supported Austria-Hungary in declaring war on Serbia? Question 3. What prompted Germany to declare war on Russia on 1 August 1914? Question 4. What was the name of Germany's plan to quickly defeat France? Could you please answer in the comment box? Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please do like, share with friends, and please subscribe to the channel.